engineering industry, technical expertise often opens the door, but it's networking that unlocks the real opportunities. From career advancement to cross-disciplinary innovation, meaningful connections can propel engineers beyond the limits of their individual knowledge and resources. So why does networking matter? In the engineering profession, success isn't driven by technical skill alone. Whether you're designing infrastructure, managing energy systems, or developing software solutions, connections within the industry play a pivotal role in unlocking opportunities. Networking serves as a critical pathway for collaboration, continuous learning, and career mobility. So where can you build connections? Networking within your role and organisation can take many forms, even simple conversations with colleagues you encounter daily. By becoming a familiar and approachable face and consistently delivering high-quality work, you build a professional reputation that opens doors. Being recognised as someone dependable and engaged can lead to valuable connections and career opportunities. Events like trade shows, conferences, and professional gatherings bring together specialists from diverse disciplines. They serve as platforms to share emerging trends, exchange best practices, and meet potential collaborators or employers in a focused environment. It also highlights you as someone that's proactive and engaged within your industry. Memberships in institutions such as the IET, ASME, IEEE, or local engineering chambers help foster deeper relationships through access to exclusive content, workshops, and peer-to-peer forums. Within these organisations, there are tens of thousands of engineers working in the industry, which gives you the opportunity to massively grow your network. Digital engagement is crucial. From LinkedIn groups to platforms like ResearchGate and Stack Exchange, engineers can contribute to conversations, share insights, and connect globally with peers who share similar technical interests. Within these spaces, there's a variety of ways to connect, whether you're commenting on other people's posts, sharing niche industry-related memes, or your own documentation and experiences. So how can you successfully network in person? First of all, be purposeful and curious. Approach networking with genuine interest in others' work. Ask open-ended questions about projects, challenges, and goals. This shows respect, leads to richer conversations, and gives you the chance to learn. Offer value, not just presence. Share knowledge, provide recommendations, or make introductions where relevant. Meaningful relationships are built on mutual support and trust, so try to avoid seeing any interactions in these spaces as transactional. Follow up and stay connected. After initial contact, send a note or connect digitally to stay in touch. Commenting on someone's work or sharing useful resources keeps relationships active. So how can you successfully network digitally? First of all, build a professional presence. Maintain a well-curated LinkedIn profile with details about current projects, certifications, and interests. Participate in discussions and post original content that highlights your thought leadership. You want to come across as someone who knows their stuff and is at the forefront of everything happening in the industry. Engage. Answer questions, publish guides, or weigh in on debates. Visibility in niche forums showcases your expertise and opens doors for collaboration or recruitment. Leverage virtual events and webinars. Participate in online conferences or lunch and learn sessions. These often allow for breakout rooms, Q&A panels, or follow-up conversations online that mimic the benefits of in-person networking. Many engineering roles are filled through personal recommendations or internal referrals, often bypassing traditional hiring channels. Networking can surface hidden opportunities, give you a voice in strategic projects, and connect you to decision makers. Make time for conversations, share your ideas, and remember, the future of engineering is shaped not only by what you build, but by how you collaborate. At NES Fircroft, we partner with engineers and companies across the globe. Head to nesfircroft.com to connect with our teams and unlock the future of your professional journey. For more engineering content and career advice, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.